How's it going, guys? So if you follow me on Instagram or have seen the couple of clips that I've shown here on the channel, you probably noticed that I keep my car pretty nice and clean and glossy. So I figured I'd show you guys how I'm able to do this. Now, since I don't have a driveway or a garage or anything, I don't really hand wash it. I'm at a local self-wash right now, so it's nothing extravagant. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I'm able to keep it looking nice and clean and glossy. To start off, I rinse the entire car with soapy water. Once I'm done rinsing the car off, I use the foam brush option and I try to brush off some of the foamy soap onto the car. I don't necessarily like using the brush. I have my own personal sponge that's much softer than the brush. So I just try to get some of the foamy soap onto the car so I could use my own personal sponge to scrub the car. Once I'm done scrubbing the car, I use this wax option, which I assume is just a mixture of water and wax, to rinse off all the soapy water that has all the dirt. And most people would just rinse off the soapy water with just water by itself and then apply the wax. But for me, I just think it's a waste of time to just rinse and then apply the wax. So I just rinse the soapy water off with wax, and then at the same time I can apply a layer of wax. Once I'm done spraying the car with wax, I use the air dry option, which is just basically a high-powered blow dryer, and I use this to blow dry off most of the water. Now, I don't try to blow dry off every single drop of water. I leave a little bit behind so that when I dry the car off, I'm able to wipe around some of the wax that's mixed in with the water droplets around the car. I dry the entire car off with a microfiber drying towel. Once I'm done drying the car off, I apply VO7 High Gloss Sealant with a soft microfiber towel. Now, the VO7 High Gloss Sealant is a product from Chemical Guys, and it is the main way I am able to keep my car looking nice and glossy. It is a spray sealant that you apply on top of the wax, formulated to make your car look extra glossy. Now, you may have noticed the car was already pretty glossy before I even started applying the sealant, and I believe that is because I've been using the wax from the self-wash and this sealant for the past year, and it's maintained the glossiness of this car ever since. When I first got the car was never this glossy. It wasn't until I started using this sealant that it really started maintaining this glossy look. So that tells me that this stuff really does work. Once I'm done applying the sealant, I use the same towel that I used to apply the sealant to wipe down the windows so I can get rid of any fingerprints or any dried on water drops. Once I'm done wiping down all the windows, I do one final wipe down of the entire car with a very soft polishing towel. And the very last thing I do is apply some Meguiar's Tire Shine. So yeah guys, that's pretty much all the things I do when washing and detailing my car to make it look nice and clean and glossy. If my car is really dirty, it'll take me around 2 hours to do a complete wash and detail. But if it's not that dirty, it'll probably take me like around an hour. If I did have like a driveway or garage, I probably would hand wash it without using any of that. But I don't have that available to me. I mean, so far I've been using this pretty much this process for like the past year of owning the car, and it's worked for me. It's kept the car looking nice and glossy, so it does work. I'll link some of the products I use to clean my car if you guys are interested, specifically the V07 high gloss sealant. But yeah, that's all I got for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below or message me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in the next one.